Ladies and gentlemen, today, I want to talk to you about the incredible power of affirmations. Affirmations are positive statements that we repeat to ourselves to instill belief and confidence in our abilities. They have the remarkable ability to transform our thoughts, emotions, and actions. When we use affirmations consistently, they can help us overcome self-doubt, build resilience, and achieve our goals. Affirmations allow us to reprogram our subconscious mind, replacing negative thoughts with positive ones. By doing so, we create a mindset that empowers us to conquer challenges and embrace success. Moreover, affirmations enhance our self-esteem and promote a healthy mindset. They reinforce our worthiness, reminding us of our inherent strengths and capabilities. Affirmations can boost our confidence, helping us navigate life's uncertainties with courage and grace. Furthermore, affirmations have a profound impact on our overall well-being. By practicing positive self-talk, we cultivate a sense of optimism and gratitude. Affirmations can reduce stress, anxiety, and negative thinking, leading to improved mental and emotional health and ultimately to great success.